morning mga palangga! So, ang ingay dito sa bahay kasi si Jan nagpapatunog ng jukebox. So, today is Sunday mga loves. So, aalis kami. Yung buong pamilya yung aalis ngayon. Ise-celebrate namin yung birthday ni mother-in-law. Yung birthday ni mother-in-law, dumaan na. It was 11th of October. Sabi kasi niya na weekend na lang tayo magse-celebrate kasi pupunta siya sa ate ni Jan sa actual birthday niya. So, yun. So, yung kasama namin is yung anak ni Jan, yung girlfriend ng anak ni Jan, at yung mama ng girlfriend ng anak ni Jan. Oh, we're going.
The original was that?
Yeah.
Has it?
Is it?
Got some new walking boots. You've been as parts direct.
Mind your hands. There you go. We're going.
It's not so warm in here.
No. It's cold.
When my friend said, "Where you going?"
Ayaw nilang magpa-film. As usual.
And I couldn't have anything where you said that. And then she said, "Oh, when Nicole come, I was sitting for her."
Did you lock
And
the
she
door?
said- Nicole said, "Oh, I think that's out in the wilds." I said, "Oh, well,
They're
well,
following.
I said, "I'm going with my son and daughter-in-law, so I should be all right, safe." And
Car coming, sweet.
but welcome to the highway.
Welcome. What's the place?
No.
Watch that step.
That should be painted yellow, then people would see.
No stuff. No, I think I'll go on the back.
Real?
Oh, right. Every time we book a meal, I can't go. Hi, just Ronnie. No, we asked me. I think so. Huh?
And then we also do Australia for a
I ate it. You see to You went to fish and chips.
What was yours out of corner?
Soup.
Sweet potato. No sweet potato. Thank you very much.
Turn it around. Look at that. That's massive.
Yeah, that's careful.
And look at the meat.
I am glad I only ordered a small one. That Yorkshire pudding with maple syrup on would do for me.
That looks quite good.
Yeah, it's look good.
I'll have yours coming in.
Oh, it's raining. That's it. We're going home. Ah, it's raining.
It's a busy now in there, aren't they?
Very busy. We're lucky to have a parking.
1 o'clock was just the right time, really. Didn't want it.
So, ihahatid namin si Bianan. Oh! Be careful, Mom. It's a bit slippery. Hang on, hang on. Be careful.
Oh,
Slippery.
he's done it this time.
Right, try. Okay. Oh, oh, be careful. Okay.
Yeah, it's just, you know.
It's more easier when the steps is out,
I was
isn't
going
it?
to-
Right, okay. Mind your fingers. Yeah. Oh, is it in, Mom? Not yet.
I'll get it in a minute when I find it.
Yung anak ni John, umuwi na sila. Kasi nagmamadali sila.
And
They're going to Tesco.
Because he can't drop his down. Oh, did your boy to get in? He says, I'm going to have to carry your stool if I see I'm going to give you a lift. I said, there you are. It's not so bad getting out because I get down and I slide off over. I want my own bag. Right, thanks for that.
Right,
okay.
okay, Mom.
And I'll see you again soon.
See you
I hope.
again soon. Alright. Yes! Bless her. It's her 85th birthday.
Good innings,
We are just waiting until she's in. She normally weaves in that window.
Not today.
There you go. There she is. She's in. Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! So it's another day. Maghahalongkat ako ngayon sa bag ko kasi I just remember na yung bag na ginamit ko when I went to my phlebotomy course training. There are things that need taking out in this bag. Makikita nyo kung ano. Nakalimutan ko talaga ay. So ito siya. Hindi to. Ito. Yan. Our instructor said na if you want to take a vacutainer at home, you can take that at home as your souvenir. So, nagdala ako 3. Kukuha muna ako ng gloves, ha? Hindi naman siya, real blood, but then we still need to take precaution. Diba? So, wala namang masama doon. Ito. Yan. At hindi ko na ipapakita yung likod kasi we need to fill in the details as well. Ito, wala tong details. Yan, blanco to. There. Yan. I really enjoy my training and I have learned a lot. At it's better than what I expected talaga. And it just goes to show mga palangga, the world is very small. Kasi hindi ko alam kung na-mention ko ba sa previous vlog ko. Nung I went to my phlebotomy course, may na-meet akong Filipina. And then, yung Filipina na yon, kaibigan siya ni Ate Divine. Si Ate Divine, na-mention ko na siya sa previous vlog ko nung binigyan niya ako ng paella. So, in that day, we're introducing ourselves na siya daw si Mary. She's working in a care home. She's a deputy manager. So, nag-click sa utak ko na may sinabi si Ate Divine sa akin. Nung pagdating ko dito sa UK, sabi ko kay Ate Divine na naghahanap ako ng trabaho sa care home. So, sabi niya, punta ka kay Mary. She's a deputy manager. Ganon-ganon. Binigyan niya ako ng application form. So, hindi ako pumunta sa company niya kasi medyo malayo at kailangan kong mag-bus, which is wala kaming bus dito, diba? So, yun. Nung nagpakilala si Mary sa akin, tinanong ko siya na, kakilala mo ba si Ate Divine? Sabi niya, yes, I know her. So, yun. The rest is history na talaga. So, it's such a small world talaga. And I will meet her again on 5th of December sa Manchester kasi she will do the live blood session as well. So, yeah. Very interesting talaga. So, yung live blood session, bibigyan din kami ng another certificate na road to competency. I am still waiting for my certification sa introduction of phlebotomy kasi sabi ng instructor ko na I will get my certificate 6 to 8 weeks. So, It's almost a month, diba? A month and plus. So, yeah. Kailangan ko tong itapon. At first time talaga, I'm having trouble to fill up the vacuum kasi maraming details na i-fill up mo and you need to have a good pen and a good handwriting. Kasi kung hindi maintindihan ng, like for example, hematology department, hindi nila to i-accept. So, kailangan talaga na you have a good handwriting, which I don't have a good handwriting. Sabi ng instructor ko, what you need is just a good pin, yung fine tip na pin, sobrang liit ng tip ng pin. Yung ginamit ko kasi, yung dinala ko sa, sa training, medyo may kalakihan yung tip ng pin. So, nahihirapan ako. Yeah, I learned a lot. So, hopefully, this will give me, I know this will benefit me, I know. And I am still looking a job in the hospitals. If hindi ako makakahanap ng job sa hospital, I will just apply as a volunteer. So that I will have a head start, diba? So, yeah. Itapo na yan. And also, binigyan din kami nila ng, mga courses dito. Kung ano yung mga ino-offer nila. Yan din. Ano pa ba to? Yeah. So, ito yung aatinan ko ngayon sa Manchester, ngayong 5th. Yan. Another 159 pounds, diba? And practical guidance, mga ganito. Yan. At mga ng color ng mga vacuum. Ito. Yan. Madaming color yung vacuum and it has to be what do you call this? So, dapat yung vacuum in order siya. So, blue, gold, lavender. Yan yung order niya. Pero may iba pang mga mga color. Ko lang, binibase ko lang dito kung ano yung vacuum na meron ako. Ano pa ba dun? Ito rin. About vein. Yan. And ito yung unhealthy vein. Yan. There. And yeah, marami pa mga palangga. Yan, madami-dami pa, uy. Marami. Bye-bye na. Lunch time. Lunch time na dito. Ha? Oh my God, is that a fish?
What do you think it is?
Oh, I thought it is a chicken.
Fish, you don't see.
Oh my, I need a chicken, you see? That's a chicken. That's it. Oh my, I did not notice it, sweet. So, I need a chicken because I am making a chicken sweet corn soup.
She's making a fish sweet corn soup.
Well, almost. And we will have kawali for our... No, I haven't. We're having kawali for tea as well. Si Jan kasi, ayaw niya na walang sabaw. So, kailangan kong gumawa ng chicken sweet corn soup para yung kawali may sabaw. Jan find it very dry without soup.
Are you having...
I'm having bread, sir. Where's my bread? We're trying Mama's Deadloaf. Jan already tried it.
Yeah, I risked it a little bit. Oh. I'm losing my day.
Just a little one for me. Just a little one. That's a lot, sweetheart.
It's a little one.
That's it. Thank you. So that's my lunch. This is my lunch. Toast, and butter. Papakuluan ko muna tong pork belly. John is not here. He went out with his friends just for 30 minutes. May mimitingan lang daw sila. Sabi ni John, huwag mong i-air fry yung kawali. Sabi ko kasi sa kanya na I will try to air fry the pork belly. So, he object. So, ito yung pork belly. It's been a while na hindi na ako nakapagluto ng chicken and sweet corn soup. Kaya sabi ni Jan, namimiss na daw niya yung chicken and sweet corn soup. So, gagawa tayo. Yung recipe na ipapalo ko is the old recipe. Ito. Yan. Madali lang. Gusto ko yung recipe nila kasi sobrang simple lang. Walang ka-complicated ba? Hindi siya complicated. At the moment, pinapakuluan ko yung chicken ko kasi sabi dito, I need a cooked chicken, shredded. So, once makook na yung chicken, pupunitin natin yung chicken. I really don't like this cup eye, but I have no choice. Yung recipe, lalagay ko na lang sa description, ha? So, kayo nang bahala, mag-check. Kukunin muna natin yung sinampay natin. Kasi mukhang uulan na. Nagsampay ako ng mga towel sa labas. But I don't think so. They are dry. May ulan na namang paparating. I could say they are 60% dry. How about this one? This is more thicker. Not bad. Not bad, mga loves. Kukunin ko na sila kasi baka makalimutan ko na naman or hindi ko mapansin na umuulan. Huh? Do you want to chew? Right. The girls want some chew. I just noticed na yung stick, iba yung kulay niya. Tatlo yung brown. Nakikita ba sa camera? Parang hindi ata. Pero magkaiba yung kulay nila. Tulad nito, oh. Magkaiba. I wonder what's the difference. Come on now. You sit down. Sit down. Come on, Pipa. You chew it. Yeah, stop smoking. Si PB. There she is. Nakakatuwa tong si Pipa ay. Magsisimula na tayo sa pagluluto ng ating chicken and sweet corn soup. So dito, meron na tayong mainit na tubig. So ilalagay ko lang yung 2 chicken cubes. There you go. Yan. They are dissolving slowly. So while naghihintay tayo sa ating cubes na mag-dissolve completely, pupunitin natin yung chicken. Anak ko, ang init. Woo! 1 chicken breast lang yung ilalagay ko. So, ito na yung chicken. There you go. And yung tin of sweet corn natin. So, yung second step is add cooked chicken and tin of cream corn. So, ilalagay na natin yung ingredients. Halo-haloin. We need to let it boil for 10 minutes. There you go. We need to put the temperature higher. Yan. Okay na yan siguro. Kumukulo na yung kumukulo na siya. So, the next is lalagyan natin siya ng corn flour pampalapot. So, i-dissolve natin yung corn flour natin sa water, sa cold water. 60 ml. Parang gatas ba? Inamoy talaga eh. There, dissolve na yung corn flour. Kanina pala off cam, nilagyan ko to ng salt and pepper. So, ilalagay natin yung konti lang muna. Lumalapot na siya. Papakuluin natin siya ulit for 5 minutes. Time's up. So, lalagay na natin yung egg. At ilalagay na natin yung spring onions. And counting sesame oil, mga loves. Sobrang konti lang. There you go. Just to add a bit of flavor. Yung rice natin, malapit na din siyang maluto. Yung oras dito is maaga pa. Yan. We have the green light from Mr. So, sabi niya na ipiprito ko na daw yung kawali. Kasi tinanong ko muna siya kung ano ba yung ginagawa niya. Kasi I can see him running around. Sobrang busy niya. So, sabi niya na malapit na daw siya matapos. So, yeah. Ipiprito na natin yung kawali. Well, yung pork belly. Yan. Gusto ko sana i-try yung air fryer. Pero ayaw talaga ni Mr. Uy. Iwag na lang. Ito yung gagamitin ko na oil. Yung used na oil. Naku, itong camera ko, yung battery ng camera ko, nagbiblink na naman. Nakakainis talaga to ay. There you go, sir. Chicken and sweet corn soup. You got your salt and pepper just in case you need more seasoning.
Thank you, madam. Madam Mia.
And that's mine.
Where's the ricey ricey?
Coming. Not yet, Han. Oi, I need to take a picture. Wait. Here's the rice. There you go. And this is our tea. Kinakat ni Mr. yung kawali into little pieces. I'm excited for this.
Oh, good luck. You'll be escaping.
Magkakamay ako. are you
Oh, the
doing?
trouble is, Dan, you give me such a bad knife to cut it with. Instead of giving me a sharp one, look, it just keeps jumping.
That's what you normally cut with anyway.
Yeah, but I'm only on a board, darling, on a flat surface.
I know.
Right, so we need to ship some of this lot out of there.
There you go.
What's wrong? I've got this wrong. This is wrong.
What? Wrong way around? Let's start, mister. Let's start. First bite.
Mmm.
Okay?
Mmm. Oh, yes.
Next time, honey, we need to try our air fryer.
You know, but you would need to put a bit spray with a bit of oil, you know.
Probably.
You know, the one you had yesterday?
Mm.
No idea as good as this.
Yesterday, we went out for Mama's birthday. For my starter, I have a glazed pork belly. The pork belly is very tender, but then I prefer it crispy.
I do.
Yeah, the pork belly was not crispy. It's just purely soft, tender. How's my cooking now, Han, compared the past few years?
It's improved dramatically. Your sisters will be jealous now. They'll be asking you to cook.
Probably when I got home. Would you like more juice, sir?
No, a minute.
Oh. Cheers.
First time I've had rice for a long time.
Don't give me that.
It makes it for yourself and don't give it me.
No, the problem of you is
Not a
like,
problem.
for example, I make that pork belly with green beans. You find it too dry.
No, if you put it on top of the meat thing.
You think so?
With some juice.
Yeah, you need to try that. It's good. Han. Green beans with pork. We really need to go to the rental shop again, Han, to gather some supply because my vinegar is running low.
I'm sure they have that in Tesco.
I cannot see anything.
We forgot to look, that's why.
There's nothing.
I think they do. I've seen it somewhere.
Not in Tesco.
Yeah.
I'm still in Asda.
Okay.
No, while we're in Asda, you said that you've seen that kind of vinegar in Asda. And we did look, and we did not find it. They have the, what was it? Rice wine vinegar, but not the sugarcane vinegar, the dato puti that normally I've used.
It's like the heating's come on.
How's the kawali anyway? Is it good? Is it alright?
Yummy, yummy, scrumptious. Could I have a bit more rice, please? Fire it.
There you go. Very filling.
I have a dish full, okay. Could make some of that and could take it to shoot and
Oh my gosh.
feed him with it at lunchtime.
No. It will be embarrassing.
No.
I bet you can use turkey instead of chicken, isn't it? For this.
You could, but it'd be a lot stronger.
You think so?
Mm.
Because I did make a turkey soup last year, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's different now.
I know. But I was just thinking, can we
Didn't
put...
have sweet corn though, did it?
I know, but can we put sweet corn on the turkey? Turkey soup?
Probably.
Oh, I would think so. Busog na talaga ako. I'm very full, hun. Excuse me. John asked Mama yesterday, how's my soup? And what did she say?
She said, I told you to tell her it was really good.
Mm.
And I said, no, you can tell her yourself.
What did she tell you?
Yeah.
When?
I spoke to her on phone.
You never
No.
tell me.
Because I was waiting for her to tell her yourself.
It's very embarrassing. I did not dare asking her. I'm finished.
I'm not far behind you, I'm getting quite full myself.
Mm. Can I have that, please? Thank you.
I see somebody commented when you said we need to clear it out in the loft. Somebody said, send it all to me. Didn't comment.
Oh.
Well, actually, I'll repeat it. Several people said it.
Yeah, no, I did not look the comment yet. Yeah, because there's a lot of things in there that we don't actually use.
No, but there's not something I would want to throw out because, you know, some of it, it's antique stuff.
I
You
know.
know, just because it doesn't fit in with the decor at the moment, you know. You know what I mean, Harry?
You have a,
And somebody else had commented,
hmm?
saying I should put some clothes on Kevin.
Oh? Who's
Not
Kevin?
Kevin, I mean Frank.
Like, huh? Who's Kevin?
Frank.
Yeah, I know. So that he will not be naked.
I'll say that later.
Yeah, save that for tomorrow. So that's it. Would you like to say goodbye? Munching.
Salamat.
So, you're thinking it's very hard.
What?
Salamat.
What's salamat it mean?
Salamat is thank you.
Mati?
Oh. Oh, right. Okay. You never say that. So that's why I was like, oh, really? So anyway, mga palangga, that's our vlog for today. So see you in the next vlog. Bye!
Salamat, salamat, salamat. Salamat, salamat, salamat.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, John!